This is a product video on 1 meter wide clothesline options and which is going to be the best product for you and your 1 meter wide spacing. In this video we'll cover the different products that are available in the 1 meter wide spacing, as well as the color options and installation of those products as well. The first clothesline we'd like to talk about for the 1 meter wide spacing is the Eco Apartment clothesline. This clothesline is 1 meter wide and it comes out from the wall 1.5 meters. This is a really handy type of unit as you get to really maximize the line spacing and line length, as the lines run at 90 degrees out from the wall, which is traditionally not the way clotheslines normally run. Normally they run along the wall parallel. This one they've turned the lines around so they come out from the wall, so that means you get full 1.5 meter spacing on line length. So with 12 lines you really get to maximize the full line area within a very small area. So this is one of the top options that we do recommend for a wall spacing of 1 meter, as long as you've got the area of 1.5 to come out from the wall for this one. This is what the unit would look like from the front as well, and when it folds flat you just push it up slightly and it folds flat to the wall when you don't want it. Another option is the Eco 120 clothesline. This generally has a standard width of 1.2 meters, but we can modify this down to 1 meter for you at no extra charge. This unit is really handy as well, as this one runs the traditional way with the lines parallel to the wall, and it's full steel construction. With this one you do get a number of different options as well in the depth that we'll cover shortly, and this is what it would look like from the side as well. And it comes, you can see the quality of the full metal construction, no plastic parts other than the cord, and this is a really high quality Australian made product as well. If you didn't want the clothesline up at any time, it just folds flat to the wall, so that's what it would look like in the down position. And with this unit you do get 5 set depth options, so the depth option is the distance out from the wall. So with this one you get 0.6 of a meter, 0.75, 0.9 of a meter, 1.2 meters and 1.5 meters. So that's the distance out from the wall. Obviously the further out you come from the wall, the more lines you can have, and that gives you more line space, so that's another option as well. And with this one, if you had, let's say, 1.05 or 1.08 or 1.02, we can make the clothesline to that specific width for you at no extra charge. With the Eco 120 clothesline, there's also the option to add a low line attachment. This is a slightly lower section, as you can see in the images there at the back of the clothesline. This gives you an extra 3 lines. This is a really handy option if you really want to maximize your space in a very small area. This can be used in the up position as it's shown there, so you could hang your smaller stuff towards the back of the clothesline. Or if you didn't want to use it on any given day, it just folds flat to the wall as well if you had it wall mounted. So it's a really handy option to give you extra line space in a very small area. When it comes to mounting of these clotheslines, you can, generally the standard option is wall mounted, but if you don't have a wall you can also get a ground mount kit. So there's 2 options. On the left hand side there you can see the standard ground mount kit is shown installed into like a grass and soil area. That's pretty much the standard way. But on the right hand side there's also a plated ground mount kit. So if you had a flat concrete slab area, we can also supply you with a wall mounting kit that has plates welded on the bottom of the legs, and they just bolt down flat to the ground surface to give you an option to mount it that way. With the Eco colour ranges, there is 10 standard colours, which is really a big range of colours to offer. So pretty much these cover all of the modern clothesline colours that we see today, the most popular ones anyway. If you are looking for something outside of these 10s, we may be able to help, so please feel free to give us a call and we can discuss your exact colour options or colour needs with you. Our recommendation for this 1 meter wide clothesline is the Eco Clotheslines range. They are handmade in Australia the old fashioned way, so that just means they're built to last a long time, plus made of full steel construction. They don't have any plastic components in them at all other than the cord itself. All of the modern clotheslines that come in from overseas today generally have a lot of plastic parts in them, including plastic corners and plastic components within their clothesline. So we really do recommend the Eco range, as they are Australian made and built to last. Also the range of colours that's available with them is the biggest of any brand, And that customization, also free of charge, is a great one. If you've got a specific area that you want to set something up in, we can really help you maximize that line spacing by customizing the clothesline to the exact width that you want, and that's free of charge. If you need help with installation around Australia, we do have a network of installers that only do clothesline installation, so we can help you with that. You can simply order that on the product page that you're on, or also via the phone on our website. The number's at the top of our website. And all of our clotheslines through Lifestyle Clotheslines are covered by our 100-day happiness guarantee. So if you're not happy with the clothesline, you can return it or swap it for something that may be a better suit for your situation. If you do need any further information on clotheslines that are 1 metre wide, you can call at any time on 1300 798 779 and speak to one of our clothesline experts today. Or if you want to visit our website at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au, you can find further information, all of the product details and specifications, and further videos and information there as well. Thanks again.